How to log in ChatGPT in mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can log into ChatGPT in mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically log into ChatGPT on mobile, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the ChatGPT application here. And as you have done that, now depending upon what is it that your account is associated with, if your account is linked with Google, Apple or email, you can choose to log in with those, or if it is an independent account, you can just tap the login button here. Just make sure to enter your email address and the password and then tap the continue option to log in. But as I said, if it is linked with a Google account, you can also tap and continue with Google option instead. Just select the Google account that you wish to log in with and then you'll be able to log in successfully. And that's all it takes to log into ChatGPT on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.